Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Lane. In the last video, you have learned about multidimensional array. Basically, multidimensional array means an array containing one or more arrays. And that may be index array like we have done earlier, and also it may contain associative array that we are going to do in this video. So let's start. I am taking this example from the previous video. This is an example of multidimensional array. This multidimensional array is containing indexed array inside. You can see 3 indexed array here. Let me print this array using printr statement. Printr and then name of the array. Now let me refresh the window. You can see here name, age and subject of Aruhi, Nisha and Rohit are stored at index, that is 0, 1 and 2. So let's move further and give these indices a name like this. Let me copy this and comment this and then name here. Then age, and after age, subject. So here we have given the names to the index. Now all the arrays have become associative array. Let's move to the browser. You can see names here, right? Name, age and subject for all students. So this is how you store the data of multiple students with detailed information using associative array. So here you have used index array and here you have used associative array with more details. Now you can see 0 and 2 here, right? This is because we haven't given these indices a name. So I am going to give the names here instead of these indices. So I am going to delete these names and arrows, and I am going to save these names outside. And then after these names, these arrows here, so that it becomes associative array. So now it has become an associative array. This Aruhi, it is a key and this is value, but the value here contains an array again. But which array? Associative array, right? Because it has named keys, that is age and subject are the names, and this 10 and this English is value. So this is a multidimensional array, right? And this multidimensional array contains 3 different associative array. And this Aruhi, Nisha and Rohit are the keys and these are the values. But these values are further an associative array because it has named keys, right? Age and subject are the keys. Now let me refresh the window and you can see the named keys here like Aruhi, and then data of Aruhi inside an array, and Nisha and then her data inside an array, similarly for Rohit. So it is up to you how much deep you want to go. You want to just store the name, age and subject and you want to give them named keys like this, or you want to give these indices a name too like this type of array, right? So let's move further, and as I have already told you that you can print the elements of array using for each loop. You may also use for loop, but I am using for each loop. I am going to print this array, but you also try to print using this array, right? So let's start. Now let's print this array for each and then press enter. Then here the name of the array, which is student. Now this key will hold this Aruhi, Nisha and Rohit. Let me show you by printing this key. So echo variable key. Now let me refresh the window and you can see here. I also want the break tag here. So here echo and break tag. Now this value will hold this array and also this one too and also this array, right? So it's an array. Now to print it, I'll use for each loop again with variable value. So for each loop and here variable value. Now I am going to change these variable values to key 1 and value 1. Now let's understand it, right? Students refer to this array and this key will first hold Aruhi, and then this value will hold this whole array, that is the detailed information of Aruhi. So variable key will print Aruhi, and this value inside this for each loop will hold the detail of Aruhi. So variable key1 will hold age and subject, and value 1 will hold 10 and English. So to print it, I'll use echo variable key1 and then concatenate variable value 1. And then it will execute this break statement and print the data of next student in the next line. So let me refresh the window, and you can see here the whole data is printed here. Now let's print sentence here for each student. Let's print the name of the student is Aruhi, and similarly for Nisha and Rohit. So we need to add the line here. So quotes and then the name of the student is variable key and full stop and space, right, and quotes close. Let me refresh the window. You can see the sentence is printed for each student, right? Now the next sentence is her age is 10 and her subject is English. So here quotes her variable key1 is variable value 1. Now this sentence will print her age is 10, her subject is English, because key1 is holding age and subject and value 1 is holding 10 and English. You can see here, let me refresh the window. You can see the sentence is printed for each student. So this is how we can print multidimensional array using for each loop. That multidimensional array may contain associative array or indexed array, right? So I hope you are clear with this. So see you in the next video.